In this talk, we are going to find out, we are going to find the output of the following code. So first, here we can see public class A2, and here we can see this is the default constructor. What it is? It is default constructor. And now we are calling another constructor with this method, calling another constructor. So this is first constructor is default constructor, and this is the second constructor, int a comma int b is the argument. And now in the second constructor we are calling another constructor, that is third constructor. Where it is? This one is a third constructor. So just we are going to find it out the answer, what would be the output of this program. So let me show you the whole code. This is the whole code which we are going to see. For the third constructor invocation, we can see for the third constructor a to int c. I'm talking about this a to int c takes an integer parameter and calculates the square of that parameter. It means that int d is storing the value c multiplied by c. It will print d. It means the value which is having d, it will print with the help of system.out.println. Inside the round bracket we use the d. Okay, so here is the public static. This is the main method block. In main method, we can clearly see that an object of the class A2, is using the default constructor, new A2. When you run this program, it will create an instance of A2, triggering the constructor calls as described. The final output will be the square of 30. And the output will be, okay, let's just trace out the code. Here it will call the second constructor and passing the integer parameters 40 and 50. So now here passing 40 and 50. Now this constructor is called, and inside that we are calling a third constructor. That is, we are passing the value 30 as an argument. So this is the int c, and this constructor is called, this c is called, and then which the value 30 we have passed here, and that value we are using 2 times, like c multiplied by c, which is storing this value to d, and that d we are printing on the console. Let me draw the console. This is for the console. So let me write the output of this program. So it will, like 30 we are passing into the third constructor. It means that here we have 30 multiplied by 30. So it is going to be 900, which is storing inside D. Yes, that value is storing in D. So now in D we have 900. And now in the main method, after creating an object, that constructor is automatically called. And because of this, the value which we can see on the output is 900. When you run this program, it will create an instance of A2, triggering the constructor called as described. The final output will be the square of 30, which is 900. Okay, so the final answer would be 900.
Okay, learn Java and be happy.